여러분, how do I say good morning? I don't really know how to say good morning. Good 좋은 아침, 좋은 점심. Good morning, everybody. 안녕하세요, 여러분. 좋은 아침입니다. But now I feel like I am copying 좋은데 or John Kim, but it's okay. Today I'm hungry and I brought all these ingredients last week. 어제? 나 지난주에 많이 개소하고 다른 음식을 샀습니다. I'll use formal talk today. 샀습니다. 그래서 저는 젠 임젠 된장찌개 방법을 만들고 싶습니다. I saw Jenn Im's she made Doenjang Jjigae, which is a soybean paste soup, on her channel for what she did like a thing last year where she's like, what I eat in a day, and I was like, oh, I want to try that. So today I will be making Doenjang Jjigae according to Jenn Im's recipe that she uses. It looks fairly easy, so 시작하겠습니다. Let's get started. I feel so awkward sometimes when it comes to Korean because I can be speaking such formal speaking and people were just like, wow, you speak so formally, and then in English I'm just like, yo.
I make this at least once a week.
So these are the ingredients. Ingredients I forgot the name for in Korean, but we learned it in class, but I just forgot it since my retention is terrible. Miso paste potato. I don't really like potatoes, so I did not buy potatoes. I don't know why. I like french fries, I like hash browns, just don't know why. Zucchini, don't have a zucchini, so I bought bok choy, maybe bok choy. Minced garlic, soft tofu, I bought normal jjigae tofu. Green onions, then couldn't find it, it's okay. And then serrano pepper, but I don't think I will do that since there was no. It doesn't look too, sorry for the mess back there. It's Sunday, but it doesn't look too difficult. It doesn't look too difficult to make, so let us get started. Sorry for everyone who is scared by this look, but if you are afraid of my face, I apologize. But let's get started. How do I say this? Like, no, there's words for Korean, but I just don't know what those words are, and I don't really know how to use them, so people don't really understand what I am trying to say. But it's okay, because my whole point is to study Korean, so yeah, that's all. Let's get started.
Oh. Mesa. And when I got done, is an editor for High Country News. She was living in Gunnison, Colorado at the time, and heard about what was going on at her funeral home and the bodies that were coming in 2011. Her mother, when
This is the final product. Wow, it looks so good. It smells really good too. I'm so proud of myself. But I kind of want some eggs in here, just for some more protein other than the tofu. So I have some eggs and I'm gonna crack them in. Fun fact about Korea is that they don't have dozens. You know how in America there's always like the baker's dozen of eggs, but here they only have 10 eggs. Fun fact. And they're also like more expensive, but also eggs are getting more expensive in Minnesota too, so can't really say much. I'm gonna add like 2 eggs to it. Let me turn on the heat a bit. Wow. Done! There's my 2 little eggs. They're just gonna cook here. Maybe I'll just break them. Sorry to all those egg purists out there who are like, how could you break an egg? Oh. So this is my variation of Doenjang Jjigae. I think Doenjang Jjigae is more just like, as long as you have the soybean in it, it's pretty much anything you want to be. Because jjigae means stew. So it's just like, in my interpretation of stews in America, it's just kind of whatever you want it to be. So I have enoki mushrooms here. And also over there, because I bought a really big one, so I don't really know what to do with all the rest of them. Bok choy, baby bok choy. Jjigae tofu. Doenjang, 2 eggs. And some big things of garlic, big cloves of garlic, because I don't have any onions. And I think I love garlic, so hopefully this doesn't taste too weird, but yeah. Let's do a little taste test. Ooh, wow. So this is the final product. I don't have any bowls, so I put it in this glass Tupperware. I have some instant rice that my friend Ayana gave me. It's a small little half portion. And then of course, some kimchi. Thank you all for watching this vlog today, or slash video, instructional video of how to make your own Doenjang Jjigae. All you need is the doenjang. So yeah, it's really easy. I hope you all enjoyed me making food instead of seeing me eat out all the time. I do cook sometimes, but it is more challenging here because I'm used to baking and there is no oven here, so it's okay though. But I had a really good time making this, and I really like cooking, and I think I'll do more of these in the future because I think my mom really likes to see me cook because she's like, don't eat outside all the time, just cook something. She doesn't talk like this, but this is how I kind of think of her head and her voice in my head when I'm just doing her voice. But sorry for this rough no makeup look, but I'm now going to eat my Doenjang Jjigae homemade, and I'll see you all in my next video. See you soon, me. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I post videos every week, sometimes twice a week, sometimes 3 times a week, sometimes once every 2 weeks, but hopefully this irregularly matches up with everyone's busy schedules because everyone is busy and I'm busy, but not really busy. I'm like not busy, but I am busy, and now I'm ranting and blah 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 blah. Let's continue. But if you haven't already kind of caught on, my new like outro thing is see you soon me. Soon me is my Korean name, and it kind of is a play on see you soon. So hopefully that isn't cringy for you all, but yeah. See you soon, me.
Show that Megan has sold bodies without the consent of people's loved ones.
Investigation is active and ongoing. Debbie, there are more than 300 members. They've had meetups. Debbie says it's been the silver...